A mysterious new AI model called Nano Banana has appeared online, causing a sensation. This is Billy, this is Michael. Make a new image of them smiling together in a selfie. Dress Trump in a Christmas outfit. Make the image to 3D. Replace the background McDonald logo with KFC. Change the gun to banana. Restore and colorize this old photo. Replace the word more with less. These were all made with the trending Nano Banana. Look at its impressive character consistency. Other models pretty much messed this up. The character's facial details always end up getting changed. It's incredibly difficult for AI to maintain character consistency and keep facial details unchanged. This is a common problem even for the most advanced AI models. But Nano Banana performs very well. The facial expressions and movements are very natural, just like two photos captured by the camera. Let's try some more complex prompts. Replace the background with real C. Replace the clothing of the Jenny in picture 1 with the red dress from picture 2. The hat, background, and lighting are all consistent. Replace the dog in picture 1 with the cat in picture 2. Let the model wear these sunglasses. Place all the furniture in the empty room in figure 1 in a reasonable layout, naturally, and keep the lighting and style consistent. Now let's see how to use Nano Banana for free. It can be accessed through the Gemini website or mobile app, Google's AI Studio, and various third-party platforms like FreePic, Adobe's Firefly, and LM Arena. Here I will introduce LM Arena because it is completely free and easy to use. It is basically a leaderboard for AI models where people use different AI models. So to use Nano Banana, we are going to first click on the button Battle. In battle mode, you type a prompt and upload your image. Press Generate Image. Then 2 random AI models will answer you. The possibility of getting the Nano Banana model is around 30%, which is pretty high. As you can see, the AI models have given me 2 pictures. Now what I can do here is to choose between the options. Left is better, it's a tie. Both are bad, or right is better. It is going to show me the names of the AI models. Want direct comparisons? Switch to side-by-side mode. Input your prompt. Choose 2 models from the list, Gemini 2.5 Flash versus Flux. Gemini 2.5 Flash is actually Nano Banana. The images are ready, and I think that both look good, but the one on the left actually looks better. So I'm just going to click left is better. It is actually Nano Banana here. So this time I have uploaded this another image and I will ask the AI models to remove the background and change the word to FlexClip. I still think the left one is better, it did understand the context. Now we will switch to direct chat. Pick Nano Banana. It shows as Gemini 2.5 Flash here. Upload your image and give prompt, make the woman laugh. You can get instant edits. Nano Banana did a really good job. But you know what? If you're looking for an equally powerful tool that can handle both AI image editing and video creation all in one place, then FlexClip is definitely worth a look. FlexClip has built-in advanced AI image editor. You can literally do all your creative work right inside FlexClip. After editing your pictures, you can directly use its powerful video editor to create stunning videos. No need to switch between different apps and websites. Here you can use Google Veo 3, Kling 2.1 Master, Hailuo AI for video generation. And you will soon find Nano Banana inside FlexClip in the coming week. That's the ultimate guide to Nano Banana. Get the link in the description and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Comment banana, and we will send you free AI credits to try FlexClip.